What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we're going to answer this question I got from WhatsApp. It's actually regarding MRTA. So the MRTA here, the question sounds like this. 1 million housing loan, joint husband and wife. Husband and wife buy 500k insurance each. Husband passes, 500k paid into loan. How does my loan change? Do the wife pay lesser installment or the loan term become shorter? Okay. It's a few questions here. First, we talk about insurance. 500k insurance each. I assume this is MRTA or MLTA. And 500k paid into the loan. I'm assuming that the husband passes and the wife get to claim 500k from the bank to pay the loan. So the first question here is, how does my loan change? Most of the package out there is semi-flexi. It doesn't change. Your installment still the same. Okay? But, however, your tenure actually grows shorter. Or loan term becomes shorter. So this part here, the third question, or loan term becomes shorter. Yes, it does become shorter because you pay down the principal. If it's a semi-flexi account, okay? Most of the loans out there is semi-flexi account. The second question is, do the wife pay lesser installment? This one is not allowed. Remember, when you are paying the loan, paying the principal, you are only reducing the tenure of the loan. You do not reduce the installment. Okay? If you reduce the installment yourself without the bank's authorization, you are considered that you missed payment and you can get into serious problem. Okay? So how if, let's just say the wife is surviving one, want to pay the loan, and she can't really afford that high installment since the husband already passed? Can she actually go and request the bank to actually reduce the installment? Yes, she can. Okay? Yes, she can. This is called rescheduling. In normal situation, we call it rescheduling, where they will increase the tenure of the loan so that you reduce the installment. Okay? Rescheduling. But, however, given the circumstances like this, the wife can always talk to the bank, say my husband already passed, and my income like this, I can't really support the loan. So can you reduce it to an amount? Then you suggest an amount. Okay, she can actually suggest an amount where she is comfortable to pay monthly and see whether the banks accept it or not. Alright? But of course, feel free to suggest and reduce the installment. That's what a lot of people actually do once the spouse or significant other who's the bigger breadwinner, bigger income actually passes on. I hope that answers the question. So if you have any more questions, just leave a comment down below. Comment down below and I'll take as many as I can. This is Kenny here from Property Stories and I'll see you again next video. Bye-bye.